Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Who owns Spocket? But before we get into that, let's talk about what Spocket is. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects retailers with suppliers. This means that retailers can sell products without having to carry any inventory. Instead, they simply place an order with Spocket, and Spocket will ship the product directly to the customer. So, who owns Spocket? Well, the answer is not as simple as you might think. Spocket is a privately held company, and the ownership structure is not publicly available. However, we do know that the company was founded by Saba Mohebpour in 2017. Mohebpour is a serial entrepreneur who has founded several successful companies. He is also a well-known investor and philanthropist. In 2018, Mohebpour was named one of Forbes 30 Under 30. So there you have it. The founder of Spocket is Saba Mohebpour. However, the ownership structure of the company is not publicly available. Now that we know who owns Spocket, let's talk about why it's such a popular platform. There are a number of reasons why Spocket is a great choice for dropshippers. Easy to use. Spocket is very easy to use, even for beginners. Wide selection of products. Spocket offers a wide selection of products from a variety of suppliers. Competitive pricing. Spocket's prices are competitive, and they offer discounts for bulk orders. Fast shipping. Spocket offers fast shipping, which is important for customer satisfaction. Excellent customer support. Spocket has a team of experienced customer support representatives who are available to help you with any questions you have. Overall, Spocket is a great platform for dropshipping. If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform with a wide selection of products, competitive pricing, and fast shipping, then Spocket is a great choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and be well.